Sanibona, phinde nginibingelele nje nangalesi sikhathi nangalo mzuzu nanamhlanje. Kuhlezi nje okwemangalisayo kwenkulu nemnandi intokozo ukuthi sihlangane ngalezi zindaba ezinkulu, sihlangane ngalezi zindaba zasekhaya ezulwini, sihlangane ngalezi zindaba eziphethe umphefumulo wakho, eziphethe impilo yakho, eziphethe isixwayiso sakho, eziphethe umyalezo wakho odingwa ingaphakathi lakho, odingwa ukuphila kwakho, odinga ukuthi uphulukiswe. Ngokuba siningi izinto esibhekana nazo singabantu lapha emhlabeni, kuningi esikubonayo daily, kuningi esik-experience-ayo daily, kuningi esihamba ngakho daily, kuningi esikuthintayo daily, kuningi ngaso sonke isikhathi okwenzakala ezimpilweni zethu okwenza ukuthi sihlezi si-influential ngezinto eziningi ezahlukahlukene, whether we are influenced by the people around us, whether we are influenced by abantu esisebenzisana nabo emsebenzini, whether we are influenced by izimali esizithintayo, whether we are influenced by abantwana bethu emakhaya, you are influenced by izinkinga, you are influenced by abangani, izihlobo, imndeni, all these things, whether you are influenced by anywho and anyhow. Ngaso sonke isikhathi you are always influenced ukuthi wenze something ngempilo yakho, kodwa not knowing and understanding ukuthi that kind of influence izoletha what kind of change kuwena, izoletha what kind of upgrading kuwena, noma izoletha what kind of downgrading kuwena. But ngaso sonke isikhathi we need to know and understand ukuthi yonke into eyenzakala ezimpilweni zethu kuzodingeka ukuthi ngale nkathi is-influencer kuzokwenzeka ushintsho ngawe, kuzokwenzeka something different or something new or something that was not expected kwasekuqaleni. But at the end of the day, there is something that is going to happen. There is something that is going to be seen. There is something that is out to happen. So siphile emhlabeni lapho khona kunemimoya eminingi, kwenzeka izinto eziningi, konke kuyavela ngaso sonke isikhathi, and even the money that we touch ihamba nama spirit. You know, emhlabeni we are busy exchanging imali ngendlela eyisimanga. Uyathenga ngayo esitolo, bese uthenge ngayo nomdayisi uzonikeza omunye ushintsho, nomunye ushintsho awuthatha unikeze omunye, kanjalo. The more ishintsha, labantu abayithintayo le mali, they have got their different spells, their different dirts, their different things abazithintayo ngezandla zabo. Thola ukuthi izothinta umuntu kade ebusy etoilet, wangazigeza izandla zakho uzothinta the same money, the same 10 rand, now you're gonna touch the same 10 rand, nomunye futhi the same 10 rand, nomunye kanjalo. So the more the people touch this money, ihamba nama different spirits, ihamba nama different spells, ihamba nemoya, different energies and forces ngendlela eyisimanga. So le mali le if izolibele ihamba around and rolling around the world, izokhanda show ukuthi khona la izofika khona, ifike ingcolise khona. Because if into ingcolile izothinta umuntu oclean, uzoba njani? Uzongcola naye angithi. So we live in a kind of world whereby everything, it is so spiritual. Everything esithintayo is very spiritual. Everything esibuka is very spiritual. Everything eyenzakalayo, it is very spiritual. Esilalelayo, it is very spiritual, because everything that comes through eza ngezindlebe zakho izongena kuwena, into esuke yakwamoya iphathelene nawe, iphathelene nempilo yakho, iphathelene nokuthi kuzokwenzakalani, iphathelene nokuthi kumele ubehave kanjani. Because whatever that you hear ngezindlebe zakho will tell you what to do, will tell you what will happen, will tell you what is out to take place ngalesi sikhathi. Njengamanje fana noma uzoyalwa utshela ukuthi sukuma njengamanje uwasha izitsha uzozwa ngezindlebe zakho ngithi, but ukuwasha kwakho izitsha have to come in the action ngale kokuzwa kwakho. Kumele kuze ama-actions ngokuthi uzweni, ama-actions ngokuthi ulaleleni, ama-action ukuthi utshelweni. So whatever that you are told to do, whatever that has to happen ngaleso sikhathi, iyona ezodetermine ukuthi uzweni ngezindlebe zakho. So whether it's a person, like as I was saying by the start of this video, you are influenced by everything ekhona lapha emhlabeni, and more especially you are influenced by everything that you touch, because it is touched by omunye umuntu as well, it is touched by another spirit as well, it is touched by another dirt as well. So ngaso sonke isikhathi we are always influenced ngezinto eziningi, izinto ezigcina sezithona, sezidestroya, sezicindezela our spiritual beings without us noticing, without us knowing, without us realizing ukuthi kwenzakalani futhi singazisiza senze njani ngaloko. So singabantu we need to understand ukuthi we live in a world spiritual ngalendlela eyisimanga, in such a way that everything that is happening we need to be cautious about, everything esibonayo we need to be cautious about, everything esilalelayo we need to be cautious about, because everything has spirits behind, everything has umoya thizeni oyibusayo owenza ukuthi hlezi ingaphezulu, owenza ukuthi hlezi yenze, owenza ukuthi hlezi kuzobusa loyo moya ngaso sonke isikhathi, because siphila isikhathi lapho khona imimoya isisaphaziwe, isisakazekile emhlabeni, and ihamba iroma around, ifuna abantu engabagwinya, ifuna abantu engabadwengula, ifuna abantu engadila nabo iqede ngabo, more especially abantu abenza intando kaNkulunkulu, more especially abantu abakhuluma iqiniso kaNkulunkulu, more especially abantu abalwela ukuthi abantu baphulukise ebugqineni, baphulukise ebumnyameni, baphulukise emangeni, baphulukise esonweni, baphulukiswe esihogweni lesi sithi sithanda ukuthi abantu baphelele kusona ngelinye ilanga, because already kule time frame nalesikhathi esesiphila kusona, into eyenzakalayo njengamanje, everyone has accepted ukuthi ufuna ukuphila yiphi impilo, and ngaleyo ndlela le mpilo ufuna ukuyiphila will determine ukuthi which sign do you have nangale kwethula ukuthi uyakuphi. Because if ufuna noma uzikhethela ukuthi mina ngizoziphilela ngotshwala, then you are telling the Lord ukuthi noma Nkosi ungangithatha njengamanje, noma Nkosi ngingafa njengamanje, definitely nami ngesihogweni ngempilo oyiphilayo, ngezenzo ozenzayo, ngako konke okushisekelayo, ngako konke okulangazelelayo, konke okufaka ngaphakathi kuwena is the one that determines ukuthi mina ngaloyo kwethuna ngendaweni ukuthi. That is why there's this video nje ku YouTube, this guy is explaining ukuthi abantu they have already accepted uPaul Esilo without noticing, because many people they believe ukuthi we are still waiting for the chip, we are still waiting for whatever esukukhona ezokwenza ukuthi nene abantu babone ukuthi nene seyabhubha manje noma sebamkele inani, kanti bantu baNkulunkulu you need to know and understand ukuthi leyo part leyo it is just a part yokugcina. But since nabo bonke abantu abaphila njengamanje befune, because ibuke kanje le ndaba, if leyo nto leyo ye-chip izofika in 50 years from now, labantu abaphila njengamanje isitha sobayeka nje sinoma kanjani, sithi hayi laba noma ngangabathatha ngizodila nalabo be-chip. Cha, isitha knows and understand ukuthi ngokwenza kwaso something vele abantu njengamanje bahlakaniphile, vele abantu manje njengamanje umoya kaNkulunkulu is busy spreading around all the truth, enzela ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi basindiswe, baphulukise, balashwe, kwenzeke intando kaNkulunkulu, abantu bakwazi ukuthi bafinyelele embusweni wezulu. So isitha what is he doing njengamanje? Because uyabona ukuthi masekuthiwa ngiyayifaka le chip njengamanje, masekuthiwa implement lento leni kwayimanje, there are many people abasekukhanyeni already abangeke baze bayivume lento. So we are definitely going to lose now. Kufana nokuthi usheshe uyiqale into ubone ukuthi ngeke bengakabi right, ngizoluza abantu abaningi. So asifuni ukuphapha, asifuni ukuthi yonke into yenzeke ngendlela eronge, but sifuna ukuthi yonke into yenzeke ngobuchule, ekuzuzeni bonke abantu, ekuzuzeni yonke imphefumulo, ekulahlekiseni futhi abaningi. So sifuna ukuhamba ngobuchule, ngokucophelela, nangokonke esingakwazi ukuthi sikwenze, so that sizozuza abantu abaningi, because people are being very smart nowadays. And isitha ngokuletha iCovid la sesizocheck ukuthi abantu mangithi boo abantu bazocomply bonke yini, and sabona ukuthi no mina abacomply bonke labantu laba. Yazini ngoba bacomply bonke, asilibele sibancuza kancane kancane, asilibele sibajova kancane kancane, asilibele siyenza kancane kancane lento ukuze kuzozuzeka abaningi, ukuze sizothola abaningi. So uPaul Esilo as incwadi ya Revelation 13 ichaza ukuthi ulamkela la esandleni nala engqondweni sonke siyazi. I'm quoting that guy. I think that the channel khona la YouTube, I think it's called Grace for Purpose. Yes, it's Grace for Purpose. You need to look for that video le ethi Paulo Silo, or the mark of the beast has already been accepted. So that guy, what is it actually trying to highlight there, or saying ukuthi since uPaulo amkelwa la kwenzakalani, that this is a sign of hands, ila representa khona izandla okuyizenzo zakho. And if uPaul amkela la ku represent imedulla, which is what you think, which is what you do, which is what you believe in. Because singabantu uhamba ngendlela okholelwa ngayo. Ngithi uhamba ngokuthi mina ngikholela ekuthenini kumele ngivuke ekseni njalo ngo8, angithi ngikholela ekuthenini njalo ngo7 ngiyadla, ngikholela ekutheni u1 no2 no3, ngikholela eZayoni, ngikholela ePostoli, ngikholela ekutheni umuntu ugqoka kanje, ngikholela ekutheni kwenziwa 1 no2 no3. So ngokuhamba kwakho ngaleyo nkolelo yakho noma ngaleyo believe leyo yakho, uhambela ekuthenini kwenzeke njani noma kube njani, uhambela ekuthenini kuvele ukuthi wena ungubani, wena ukholelwa kwini, wena kwenzakalani ngempilo yakho. So singabantu, if ukuhamba kwakho la emhlabeni uhamba ukholelwa ekuthenini mina isono noma umuntu akalimali ngaphandle, ilimali ngapha, or isono ingaphakathi alimali, umphefumulo wakho limali ingaphandle kuphela elingcolayo, that is a belief. Inkolelo leyo esitha esihogekisa abantu abaningi ukuthi lalela, noma ungasenza isona akunankinga, vele umphefumulo wakho awunankinga, ngeke uze kwenzeke lutho. That is a belief which is false. Number 2, sithi sitha noma umphefumulo wakho udinga ukuthi unakekele ngokuthi ulalele lo mculo. That is a belief okudukisayo, okulahlekise noNkulunkulu. Isitha phinde sifune, and siqamba many lies enzela ukuthi abantu abaningi badukiswe, abantu abaningi balahlekiswe, and definitely abantu abaningi babe confused noma badideke ezintweni zonke. So singabantu kuzomela siyazi, siqonde, si-understand ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi yonke into esiyenzayo lapha emhlabeni sizenzela thina. Yonke into esiyenzayo lapha emhlabeni, whether inkolelo, whether uzomuntu, you are influenced or whatsoever, but uzenzela wena, because uwena uyozuza ngelinye ilanga, uwena uyogaina, uwena uyoluza, uwena kuyokwenzeka something ngalokhu on another day, on another light, ngolunye usuku ongalazanga, ongalindele. And the most dangerous thing, it is death. The most dangerous thing ungukufa. Ufela kuphi? Ufela esonweni lesa ngasithandanga uJehova, lesa sinyanyile uNkulunkulu, lesi azosijaja lapha emhlabeni. So whoever and everyone owonayo owenza isono lapha emhlabeni will definitely and forever be judged, will definitely and forever land esihogweni ngalesikhathi somhla wokuphela uJesu esebuya ezolanda ibandla lakhe. So people of God, I need us to understand ukuthi kuningi imani okukhona lapha emhlabeni, kuningi ukugumbevanga, kuningi confusion, kuningi ukudideka, kuningi ukuzanyazanyiswa, kuningi konke okukhona, kuningi futhi nokuzayo okuzodala more and more confusion, kuzodala more and more ukuthi abantu bangamqondi uJehova, bangazi ukuthi kumele benzeni, futhi bangayenzi definitely into ekumele ukuthi bayenze, into abayalelezwe yona, into abadalelwe ukuthi bayenze. So bantu baNkulunkulu, we need to know and understand ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi lapha emhlabeni sihlalele ukuthi samkele umoya weqiniso, umoya kaNkulunkulu ozohlala kithi, uvame usisize, usiqondise, usiyale, ebese senza intando kaNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngoba ikona kuphela lokho okuyosiza, ikona kuphela lokho okuyosiphulukisa, ikona kuphela lokho okuyoselapha singabantu kulesi sikhathi sokugcina. So isihloko nje ngifisa sikhulume ngaso sithi amakholwa alwiswa ngeqiniso, amakholwa alwiswa ngeqiniso. Sizokhumbula after 40 days esefastile umholi wethu uJesu Kristu ukuthi yafika yathini moya kuyena, noma wafika wathini uSathane kuyena, wathi phendula lamatshe lawa abe isinkwa. Mind you, isitha noJesu, they both know ukuthi ungumnini mandla wonke. They both know ukuthi unamandla vele ukuthi lamatshe lawa waphendula besinkwa. They both know ukuthi unako vele igunya lokuthi akwenze. unako vela ngakwenza ngaso sonke isikhathi. So singabantu we need to know and understand uNkulunkulu was busy planting kakhulu lamazwi since yesterday ukuthi isitha sizohlezi silwa ngeqiniso, isitha sizohlezi silwa ngeqiniso. Senzelani? Senzela ukuthi namakholo athi abambe iqiniso nawo agcine seqhuzuka, nawo agcine sededa, nawo agcine serelaxa, angaqapheli ngoba isitha siyabhonga sifuna esingamgwinya ngaso sonke isikhathi. So bantu bakaNkulunkulu noma ngathiwa enza ini kaNkulunkulu ngenxa ukuthi you are told by or being led by a certain spirit, that does not mean ukuthi it is exactly and what is supposed to happen ngaleso sikhathi, because umoya wenkohliso can come and tell you something eyiqiniso vele, kodwa ngokungaqondo kaNkulunkulu, ngokungazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi uyasiyala ngaso sonke isikhathi athi asenze okuthandwa nguyena, ikona lokho okwenza ukuthi singabantu sigcine silahleka, uthathe ngokuthi vele ngenze kaNkulunkulu, vele intando kaNkulunkulu nanani, kanti you are losing the plot ngaleso sikhathi, you are losing the plot ngalelo thuba, you are losing the platform ngokuthi wenze lokhu ozitshela ukuthi kungikona kanti akusikona. So singabantu bakaNkulunkulu, we need to know ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi we are going to be fought with the truth as well, because everything is about a fight. Sempini le yakwamoya, and the more sempini yakwamoya kuliwa ngayo yonke into. Angiphathi especially indaba zezinto zasenyameni, that's easy stuff, easy target to isitha, izinto ezilula kakhulu lezo. Isitha is plotting and is requiring and it is wanting izinto eziserious njengamanje, because baningi abathunywa baNkulunkulu abavusile njengamanje. Isho njalo incwadi yeZenzo 2:17 ukuthi ngizobe sengithulula umoya wami, kusho uJesu Kristu, ngizothulula umoya wami kuyovuka abaprofethikazi, amadodakazi enu namadodana enu ayophupha amaphupho, abona imibono, kuyokwenzeka izinto ezinkulu. And bonke labo bantu abenza zonke lezo zinto bayalwiswa each and every day, badidiswa ngaso sonke isikhathi, bayaconfuse, kwenziwa izinto eziningi ngabo, so that they will lose the plot, so that they will lose whatever they need to do ngaso sonke isikhathi. So singabantu bakaNkulunkulu, we need to know and understand ukuthi only umoya kaNkulunkulu can help us. As I was saying, ngaso sonke isikhathi ukugaina i-attention yomuntu, it is the biggest key kukona konke, because the more they attend to you, the more the time to do something else and many other things get wasted. Okuyindlela futhi ekugadlwa ngayo kulempi enkulu kangaka esibhekene nayo yakwamoya, okungukulwa ngeqiniso. All the time isitha wants your attention ukuthi what is it that you attend to, what is it that you like, what is it that you spend your most of your time to, what is it that you do so much, so that ezowastela that ezoqhuba kuleyo nto leyo, uhlale uvame kuyona ngaso sonke isikhathi up until avimbezele whatever mission, whatever cebo obubekele lona, noma whatever cebo ekumele ulifeze lapha emhlabeni, because sihlalele ukwenza intando kaNkulunkulu, sihlalele ukufeza icebo lakhe, sihlalele ukuphulukisa, sihlalele ukwenza konke okuthandekayo enkosini. So ngaso sonke isikhathi azokwenza uzobheka ukuthi uNkulunkulu umthanda kangakanani, uzobheka ukuthi uNkulunkulu umlangazelela kangakanani, uzobheka ukuthi yini oyenzayo ngaso sonke isikhathi, and he will make sure ukuthi zonke lezo zinto he can make you to do them more and more and more, and uhlale kuzona, kanti you are definitely losing the plot, kanti awusenzi kahle, awusenzi njengokusho kwamdali wezulu nomhlaba uJehova ohlala ekhaya ezulwini, because we are out to do ngokwendlela yakhe, ngokwentando yakhe, nangokwemiyalezo yakhe, nangokuyalezwa ubaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. So it's just like indlela avuzuza ngayo abantu abaningi, especially abantu abathanda izinto. Uzobuka ukuthi okay, wena uthanda ifoni, akuspendise isikhathi efonini. Wena uthanda iTV, akuspendise isikhathi kwiTV. Wena uthanda ilaptop, akuspendise isikhathi kwilaptop. Wena uthanda umsebenzi, akuspendise isikhathi kumsebenzi. Whatever that you seek, whatever that you love, whatever that you do more, uyenza kuthando lakho, you gonna be spending most of your time lapho, so that ungeke uzenze intando kaNkulunkulu, so that ungeke umlalela uJehova, so that ungeke usindiswe, so that ungeke uzuphulukiswe. So your attention is being drawn by whatever that you like, by whatever that you seek, by whatever whatever that you always require ngaso sonke isikhathi uqhube impilo yakho kukona kakhulu, kanti not realizing ukuthi you are blocking something uNkulunkulu azama ukuthi ayenze ngempilo yakho. So lento ifana nokuthi uyaleziwe ukuthi upheke, ukline, uwashe nokunye futhi okuningi. Obviously konke kuyi-need, zonke lezi zinto ziyisidingo futhi kuyiqiniso ukuthi ekugcineni kumele upheke, kumele uwashe. Ekugcineni you need to do all these things. Ekugcineni kumele ukuthi uziphulukise, zonke ziyiqiniso, umzali ukuyaleze ngazo zonke. But at the end of the day umzali uzophinda abeke ukuthi yazini, ukuze yonke into ibe lula, yonke into ibe right, ubowenze njani? Ubovela uqale ngokuwasha so that izobe iphephezela ukuze kuthi makushona ilanga sikwazi ukuthi sibe ne-washing eyomile khona soyigqoka kusasa, because we need the uniform. And mind you, mezosho njalo usadinga ukuthi uclean, usadinga ukuthi upheka ngithi. So if ezothi qala ngewashing wena uzovela ubuka ukuthi ayingeke, why not ngaqala ngokupheka? Noma omunye umuntu uzothi hayi qala ngokupheka, omunye uzothi qala ngokuclean nani. Kodwa umzali bethe qala ngokuwasha so that uzokwazi ukuthi ingubo zakho zibe zoma, or kube kwenzeka into ezoba usizo kunina ngaso sonke isikhathi. So singabantu we need to understand, because uzasho naye umzali ukuthi okay, njoba ngithi qala ngalokho because ngiyazi ukuthi vele sakhona isinkwa nizokwazi ukuthi nibe niqhwaqaza sona emini, ekuseni nasemini, bese uyapheka ke ntambama because vele ukudla sikudingela intambama kuphela. Only the Lord understand ukuthi into uyidinga nini, udinga ini futhi uyidinga kanjani, ngaluphi usuku, ngamuphi umzuzu, nangayiphi indlela. Thina abantu we understand nothing. Thina abantu asiqondi lutho. Mind you, ngokuthi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi konke lokho, nathi futhi siyakwazi ngozi siyaleziwe, siyazi ukuthi lapha mesigcintana uNkulunkulu belisenze 1 no 2 no 3, but asizokwazi ekumele sikwenze ngesikhathi ngqo ekungaba usizo kuthina, unless if silalela, sithobela uNkulunkulu ngomoya wakhe weqiniso ohlezi esisiza, esiqondisa ezintweni zonke. I hope I make sense if ngisho kanjalo ngithi singabantu sihlalele ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi senze njengokusho kwakhe, njengokuyala kwakhe, njengendlela yakhe nanjengamazwi akhe, because only the Lord understand ukuthi what kind and which kind, noma iliphi iqiniso emele lidlule ngasiphi isikhathi. Thina asiqondi lutho, thina asazi lutho, but amaqiniso akhe siyawazi wonke ngaso sonke isikhathi. NjengoJesu wayazi ukuthi ulambile, wayazi futhi ukuthi ngaguqula ngempela lamatshaba isinkwa, wayazi ukuthi angayenza lento. Isitha safika samtshela iqiniso alaziyo, lathi hawu waguqule lamatshaba isinkwa, buka ukuthi ulambe kanjani. Jesus knew, but uJesu futhi ekwazi lokho, wayazi ukuthi there will come the right time ukuthi ngidle ukudla. This is not the right time ukuthi ngingadla manje. This is not the rightful time ukuthi ngingathola lokhu, nanoma nginamandla kangakanani, nanoma kwenzeka ini kangakanani, but I can do this ngesinye isikhathi. So we need to know and understand singabantu bakaNkulunkulu ukuthi yonke into yenzeka ngentando kaNkulunkulu, yonke into yenzeka ngesikhathi sakhe, yonke into yenzeka ngomzuzu wakhe. Ngakho ke lo ozofika kutshele, because ke umzali useyalile wakutshela neplani, indlela elula nengcono, but ngaso sonke isikhathi umzali uzophinda kutshela ukuthi ayi noma ungangaqala ngewashing yazi ngoba kuza ivakashi vele uclean, engakushintshisa into nje immediately, engakushintshisa iroutine. Wena uzothatha ukuthi hayi uma uthi angwasha, uma uthi angwasha, uma uthi angclean, uma uthi angclean, not understanding ukuthi uzoyaleza lokhu okubalekile ekumele ukuthi akuyaleze ngakho ngesikhathi esifanelekile. Because everything happens nanoma ngayiphi indlela lapha emhlabeni, everything happens nanoma ngaluphi uhlobo. So we need ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi sihlele sinomoya kaNkulunkulu okuzoba ngiwona osiqondisayo, ozoba ngiwona osiyalayo, ozoba ngiwona osisizayo ezintweni zonke, ngoba singabantu asazi lutho, asiqondi lutho, futhi asazi ukuthi kuphi okulungile ngasiphi isikhathi esifanelekile. That is why we always need and require, we need to seek the Holy Spirit ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi sihlale kithi sisiqondise, and grant us everything that we need at the rightful time. The information evela kubani, evela kubaba uNkulunkulu, ngoba uyena ongumnini mandla wonke futhi uyena ongusazi konke. uyena obona yonke into lapha emhlabeni, uyena obona yonke into ehlelwa yisitha, uyena obona yonke into ngesikhathi, uyena obona yonke into ngokuzokwenzeka, uyena obona yonke into, uyena umhlelo konke, asimdedela asihlelele ngakho konke ngaso sonke isikhathi. So as I was saying ukuthi in as much wazi ukuthi kumele wenzeni, but plan can change because only the parent knows ukuthi ufuna ukuthi wenzeni. Only the parent understand ukuthi ufuna ufezekise ini ngasiphi isikhathi, ngamuphi umzuzu, ngaliphi ithuba. Thina we are not to stop and block umoya kaNkulunkulu coming uzosiza thina. We are not to stop and block by umoya kaNkulunkulu uzosiza usiphulukise usihlenge ezintweni zonke, because we need umoya wakhe ngaso sonke isikhathi. We need inkazimulo yakhe ngawo wonke umzuzu. So ngaleyo ndlela uzohlala udidekile, ungazi futhi ungaqondi kumele ukwenze ngesikhathi esifanele, kodwa ulibele ubambelele kulokho banjiswe kona ngokucabangayo, ikakhulukazi futhi ofuna ukwenza. Because uma usuyaleziwe ngayo yonke lemisebenzi uzoba nofuna ukwenza, because uzobona ukuthi yazi uma ngaqala ngokupheka nje because lo ngiyahalela ukudla inyama, uma uvela uthi angipheka inyama. Mengaqala ngokuthi nje ngiyahalela ukuthi, forgetting ukuthi uyalezwe ini, forgetting ukuthi umdala ushone, forgetting ukuthi umzali utheni, forgetting ukuthi yini kumele iphulukise noma lipheleliswe ngalesi sikhathi ngaleli cebo. So uNkulunkulu uzoyaleza izinto ngendlela yakhe, ngendlela athanda ngayo emhlabeni nangesikhathi sakhe. So thina sizothatha ngokuthi i-doctrine ithi, iBhayibheli lithi, obani bathi kumele senze kanje. Forgetting ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyena oletha amazwi akhe, uyena osiyala ngakho konke, uyena osixwayisa ngakho konke, uyena osisiza ngakho konke, futhi uyena ocebo lakhe limele lipheleliswe lapha emhlabeni. What about that? Mele sikhohle lokho, mele sikushendezele lokho, mele sikushiye lokho, mele sikushaye indiva lokho, mele sikwenze njani? Because okunye sikuthatha ngokuthi sesijwayele, sikuthatha ngokuthi sekulula, because sithatha ngokuthi sazi kanjalo. Ngakho-ke kumele sihlezi siqonda ukuthi uJehova uyala ngendlela yakhe, ngesikhathi sakhe, nangokufanelekile futhi okulindelekile njalo. And what I like about umoya kaNkulunkulu, the Holy Spirit, ukuthi zonke izinto zenza zibe lula, yazi. Yonke into yenza ngendlela efanelekile, ngendlela okuyiyona, ngendlela futhi ayalezwe ngayo, which makes our lives easier at all times, which makes us maneuver ngendlela elula mihla yonke, and which makes icebo laNkulunkulu ukuthi lifezeke. Okuyiyo into amakholwa adidiswa, adukiswe kakhulu kuyo isitha uma sikuyala sithi enza lokhu. Asiphiki. It is the truth. Futhi ungakwenza, because in many cases okumele, because kusuke kuyinto okumele uyenze eventually, but the fact remains at most times ukuthi kuyaba ukuthi akukona uJehova ayale ngakho, kuyaba ukuthi akukona uJehova kufunayo ngaleso sikhathi. Mele sithathe ngani? Sithathe ukuthi it is the truth, usithathe ngokuthi uJehova uyale wathi, usithathe ngokuthi uJehova ufuna ukuthi, usithathe ngokuthi uJehova uthanda kanje. Mele sithathe ngakuphi? So ngakho-ke ngalowo mzuzu nangaleso sikhathi, so umbuzo uthi iqiniso sizolihlukanisa kanjani-ke elikaNkulunkulu nelisitha? That is the problem phela. How are you supposed to separate iqiniso likaNkulunkulu nelisitha? Because isitha sizokushaya ngeBhayibheli, noNkulunkulu uzokushaya ngalo. Actually uNkulunkulu akakushaya ngeBhayibheli, ukushaya ngeqiniso lakhe elinguye. Isitha sizokushaya ngeqiniso elilaziyo na olaziyo. So the three of you guys know the truth. God knows the truth. Isitha siyalazi iqiniso, nawe uyalazi iqiniso. How are you going to separate so that uzolalela lo? How are you going to separate so that uzothobeleka uNkulunkulu intando? How are you going to separate so that uzohamba ebukhoneni bukaNkulunkulu obuzoqondisa, buqinise, bukwenze wenze intando kaNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi? How are you supposed to do that? Okuyilapho kuphinde kungene kakhulu umoya weqiniso, umduduzi, ohlalele ukudlulisa konke okuvela kuNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi. Otherwise if singamulaleli sizohlalela ukwenza esikujwayele kanti asisayalwa nguJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba. Kanti asisayalwa uNkulunkulu oyingcwele, uNkulunkulu wothando nomusa nobubele. Ngokuba uyathanda ukusiyala futhi uthanda icebo lakhe lifezeke ngaso sonke isikhathi, ezintweni zonke, kukho konke futhi. Emazingeni okuhlakanipha kukhona lapho ekumele ufinyelele ekuqondeni uma ungumuntu ukuthi yini kahle kahle esemqoka nebalulekile nengabalulekile. So we need to come to a point la khona sizo-reach khona and understanding ukuthi what is it that is important? What is it that is not important? What is it that you need to do? What is it that you not need to do? Ikuphi okumele ukwenze? Ikuphi okumele ungakwenzi? Ikuphi okusemqoka? Ikuphi ongekho emqoka? Because at the end of the day, zonke lezi zinto lezi zizoba ingxube evange. That is why I was saying ukuthi singabantu, we are going to be influenced by many things. We are going to be influenced by people, by things around, by money, by everything ekhona around. And the more zonke lezi zinto lezi zisi-influencer ila siduka khona, ila silahleka khona, because umoya kaNkulunkulu awuhlali endaweni engcolile, umoya kaNkulunkulu awuhlali endaweni enengekayo, umoya kaNkulunkulu awuhlali lapho ungafanelekile khona, but uhlala endaweni ecwengekileyo nefanelekileyo. And uNkulunkulu ayaleze ngakho kuhlezi kumile njalo ungunaphakade. Konke uNkulunkulu asitshela ngakho kuyikona, akujiki. So yonke into ayenzayo ungumuntu iya ngokuthi iya ngokuya ijwayeleke. Uma isijwayelekile iba lula, and uma ngabe isilula uyaye uyenze isinoma kanjani. Uyaye uyenze ngokuthanda kwakho, uyaye uyenze ngesikhathi sakho, uyaye uyenze ngendlela obona ngayo nangendlela ofisa ngayo. Kahle kahle ujwayela uze ujwayele kabi okukaNkulunkulu okuyisenzo sokungalungi kumdali wezulu nomhlaba. Because usujwayela kabi umsebenzi wakhe manje. Usujwayela kabi just because usuyenza ngoba ujwayele vele. Ngokuba uthanda kwenzeke konke, ubaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini uthanda kwenzeke konke ngokwendlela, ngokwentando yakhe njalo. Kumele siqaphele ngempela singabantu ukuthi nakuba kuyiqiniso likaNkulunkulu, kuyiko yini akulindele kithi. Futhi sihlale siqaphile ukuthi senza nje ngokusho kwakhe noma senza nje ngokubona kwethu. Singazi ukuthi kanti sesibona lufifi. Impela ingozi enkulu kakhulu le ndaba yesitha, sinamaqhinga ngaso sonke isikhathi. Sihlezi sibahlakaniphela abantu ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kepha amaqhinga nobuqili baso kumele buhlezi budalulwa ezintweni zonke, bumbulwa enkubo, ukuze singalutheki size silahleke endleleni asikhombe nasikhomba kuye uJehova Baba wethu ohlala ekhaya ezulwini ongcwele. Lento ihambe isabise kakhulu ekuthenini uJesu uzolanda ibandla likaNkulunkulu lapha emhlabeni. Liphi leli bandla? Ibandla labantu akade benza intando kaNkulunkulu. Bonke abekade begcina imiyalelo yakhe. Futhi uma ekhuluma ngemiyalelo akakhulumi ngalena elishumi kuphela. It's not only talk about imiyalelo eshumi, but ukhuluma ngazo zonke iziyalo zakhe asiyala ngazo mihla yonke. Ngoba the more ukhula uNkulunkulu ukwazi ukuthi umuzwe ngezindlela eziningi, uhlalela ukwenza konke akuyaleza ngakho. Because from the ground level usukumlalela uNkulunkulu through izwi lakhe, ulalele through iBhayibheli, uye ngokuye ulalele through abafundisi, uye ngokuye ulalele through dreams, ulalele through visions. And then you can come to a point la uzulalela ngezindlebe zakho, akhulume futhi athinte inhliziyo yakho. Ulalela ngezindlela eziningi ezahlukahlukene, but okubalekile nokusemqoka ukuthi simlalele, simthobele, senzeni intando yakhe ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. The worst part ukuthi abakukhulumayo bona kungokobuntwana, cause bakhuluma okukwi-level yabo abakwaziyo nabakuqonda kangcono. Wena ozwe owazi okukhulu, enza okukhulu ngendlela oyalizwe ngayo, ngoba olwakho ulwazi noma uswazi, olwakho uswazi lukhulu kakhulu uma ungakwenzi, noma ungakufezi. So whoever is entrusted with the word of God, eliyiqiniso, eliwukhanya, is entrusted ukuthi alispreade, is entrusted ukuthi alikhulume lonke njengoba linjalo, angathengisi ngalo, kodwa lithenge njalo iqiniso. Angenzi ngokuthanda kwakhe, kodwa enze njengokusho kwamoya kaNkulunkulu. Azithibe ezintweni zonke, akhuleke, anxuse ukuze icebo laNkulunkulu ngevimbeke. Azithibe, anxuse kuNkulunkulu ukuze konke okumdali, umdali wezulu nomhlaba athanda ukuthi kufezeke, kube njalo. So we need to understand bantu bakaNkulunkulu ukuthi if isithunywa saNkulunkulu, everything that you've heard, you need to spread it. Yonke into oyaziyo kumele uyenze, because the more the levels grow, the more ama-level ekhula, akhulela ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi kuze kufinyelele lapho khona ulindele ukuthi wenze okukhulu. And mase ulindele ukwenza okukhulu, wangakwenza kuzokwenzakalani? You will move from there. You will move from there and come back down. You will move from that chair and come back right down. Because the CEO enjani engawenza umsebenzi wama-CEO, manager enjani engayenza umsebenzi wama-manager, then ayibuyele ke iyoba i-staff esinormal njengamanye abantu. Ayibuyele ibe i-staff esinormal njengazonke izizwe, and ilapho khona ungathola ukudwenguleka, ilapho khona ungathola ukulimala, ilapho khona ungathola okubi nongafanelekile, ilapho khona ungathola ukuqhelana noNkulunkulu. Ngakho-ke feza konke okuzele oyalwe ngakho, and this is in caps, feza konke okuzele oyalwe ngakho ngendlela oyalwe ngayo nguJehova, ngendlela ethandeka kuye, ngokufeza icebo lakhe ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngoba konke okukaNkulunkulu kuliqiniso. Kodwa khona iqiniso okungelakho specifically, because everything is truth, but there is a specific truth that is specifically directed to you to send to people. And what is that truth? What is it that you're supposed to do? You need to be careful ngaso sonke isikhathi. You need to do what it is that you need to do ngaso sonke isikhathi. Umbuzo uthi, iliphi lelo qiniso lakho? Ikuphi lokho kumele ukufeze? Yiphi leyo nto kumele uyifeze? Seek umoya kaNkulunkulu so that uJehova ezothaba futhi athokoze ngawe uma usulifezile lelo cebo lakhe. But if ungakalifezi, then you haven't started working. Then awukakawenza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. Then awukakayenzi intando kaNkulunkulu. Then awukakakwenzi ukulindeleke kwena. Then awukakakwenzi ekumele ukuthi ukwenze ngesikhathi esifanelekile. Then awukakakwenzi okumele ukuthi ukwenze ngomzuzu okuyibona wona. So singabantu kubalekile futhi kusemqoka ukuthi sazi zonke izinto ukuthi zilele ekuthenini konke sesitshelewa siyaleza ngakho siyakwenza yini, konke sesiqondise kona sifundisa kona ngiyala ngalokho nalokho siyakwenza yini, icebo lakhe siyalifeza yini, umoya wakhe siyawugcina yini, intando yakhe siyayenza yini, ngoba siyalele ukuthi mayenziwe intando yakhe emhlabeni njengoba yenziwe ekhaya ezulwini. So siyayenza yini, siyakufeza yini konke, ngoba yena udala izulu nomhlaba usilindele ukuthi sikufeze, ngoba yena udala izulu nomhlaba ulindele ukuthi sikwenze konke ngokubele bakhe, ngomusa wakhe, ngothando lakhe nangamandla akhe, ebese udumo luyabuya ngaso sonke isikhathi. You must be careful. Isihloko nje sethu besithi amakholwa alwiswa ngeqiniso. Amakholwa alwiswa ngeqiniso. So do not let isitha fight you with the truth. Because iqiniso likaNkulunkulu uyena ongumlini mandla wonke, uyena ongaphezu kwako wonke, uyena osibekelayo kona konke, uyena osisindisayo kona konke, uyena osihlangulayo kona konke, uyena osipha amandla kona konke, uyena osiqinisayo futhi kona konke. But iqiniso lakhe kumele lifezeke, ungalwiswa ngalo but ilwa ngalo bese uyaligcina. Because nje wena nibusise kakhulu, ngakhohle ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasizonda isono, uNkulunkulu uyabuthanda ubungcwele. Ezinye nje inkundla zokuxhumana zikhona uTikTok, Lihle Ithemba, Instagram Lihle Ithemba Wena Mzobe, no Facebook uLihle Ithemba Mzobe. Nkosi nibusise kakhulu manje kuze kuphakade. Amen.